Welcome to the Business Standard Banking Show. Bandhan Bank recently announced its fourth quarter results, in which its net profit more than doubled sequentially. Its margin improved and asset quality also improved. To speak more about the results and the bank's road ahead, we have Mr. Chandra Shekhar Ghosh, CEO and MD, Bandhan Bank. Mr. Ghosh, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Welcome.
Asset quality of the bank has improved substantially. The collection efficiencies in March were over 95%. Does that give you confidence that the worst is over and FY23 will be a normal year?
All this, the parameter, the link with this, the customer business point of view. When I go to this, the ground level, you see that customer people are started their business. When they open the business and running the business, automatically their repayment has come back and NPA has come down and credit demand also increased, which have been shown very good performance in the last quarter, which is 15% higher than the pre-pandemic disbursement. So that it has been given the confidence, customer demand has coming back.
Customer demand is coming back. What about Assam? There were some problems in Assam earlier in terms of collections. So Assam situation has also improved, is it?
No, if you see that the Assam collection efficiency now is aligned with the national collection efficiency. National collection efficiency is a 99%, Assam is a 98%, which is 1% lower. It's a good on that, the coming back to this position. I hope that is a very good way given on that.
So Bandhan Bank's margin in the fourth quarter was 8.7%, highest in the 11 quarters. Now that interest rates are rising, do you think such kind of margins will be sustainable?
No, if you see that what is the cause behind of this?
Right.
The one side is a common, that is NPA has recovered. No,
yes.
Which is the 2%, and I say that the total portfolio has been recovered in the last quarter. That have been helped us to increase this. And second point, if you see that the operational profit has come as a 53%, which is the bank life hasn't good.
Right.
So that have been helped us to reach on this 8.7. But normally, if you see that our NIM is a 7.5 to 8.5 always lies on that. So I hope that it can be like to sustain, but not in a 8.7, but around the 8.
Around 8.
Around it.
Bandhan started operations in August 2015. It's almost 7 years the bank is running. Bandhan migrated from a microfinance institution to a universal bank. In the 7 years, your microfinance portfolio is still 50% of the total loans. What is the roadmap to reduce or to diversify your lending portfolio?
Okay. So this is not reduce the portfolio. This is I say that the diversified and mixed the portfolio. We take group loan and non-group loan, secured loan, unsecured loan. So as a bank, when 7 years before we are open the bank, that time my 98% was in a microcredit loan, which is a group loan. That has now come 47%.
Right.
We have the plan on that the next the 3 years. We like to reduce or go to this diversify in the 26%. So there is a two way. One way is there we have the 13 million borrowers in microcredit.
Correct.
Which is the 50% of this borrower average 10 years with us.
Correct.
So these the borrower are very matured, very good enterprise developed.
Right.
So they have not in a like as a microcredit 1 lakh rupees loan or 1,50,000 rupees loan. So we are graduating them is a different process and system, and in a normal credit, which is like as in same as MSME. So that is also 25% of my group loan customer as in portfolio basis have been graduated last 2 years to the formal credit. that have been helped me to reduce
Correct.
on that.
Correct.
But there is no difference between two. Only they are, one difference is a group loan. We are going to the group meeting, collection in this weekly basis and carry from the field to the office. And these loans are very differently assessed from the credit bureau, family income, and the credit bureau, all types of, there is a credit bureau record. And then we are provided the credit, and they are not attend the group meeting. They are coming to this, the monthly installment, it has been deducted from their account, which is a normal methodology on that. So that is a very good portfolio. Quality of the portfolio is better because they are very seasoned customer of that. So it has been helped us on that. These two type of customer, interest rate is not very any difference on that.
Okay.
So that it is not coming to the impact to my name on this. So for that reason, we are like to increase. Some of the housing loan has come very good.
Okay.
MSME loan has come good. So that have been also gradually coming the growth, which helped us to diversify, and making on that the group loan will become 26% by next 3 years.
By 2025.
2025.
2025. You acquired Gru Finance, which also helped you diversify your book. You entered the home loan space with that acquisition. Is any other organic route? Are you open to more organic growth opportunities to further diversify your loan book?
No, if you see that we are focusing in that 4 vertical.
Right.
One is in we call that the microcredit, or we say whatever we say that group loan. We are good enough. We are 20% market share, including group and graduated individual. We like to continue on that way. Second point of that, if it is the housing loan. Housing loan is a big opportunities in our country, especially in the affordable housing, which we have been taken as a group.
Right.
So that is also growing last 2 quarters, especially in the last quarter, given it's a fantastic growth of this, the vertical.
Right.
Its growth has not given any of the life of the group. So there is a second. Third is a MSME. We like to build up the MSME portfolio on our own.
Okay.
No. And the fourth is we have some retail, some like the gold loan, personal loan. These are all are making two-wheeler loan or auto loan. It will be also homegrown because we have the 65 lakhs customer in the bank branches.
Right.
There is an opportunity is more to get some customers demand from those customer, those the vertical, and then this credit will be grow on that. So for that reason, I have not need to grow in the bank for further any of the inorganic way. It's automatically my homegrown will be like to make.
You're saying that because you have so many customers, reaching them with those loan portfolios will be good enough for your growth.
Correct.
You don't have to look out for inorganic opportunities.
Correct.
Sir, the loan growth has been extremely healthy for Bandhan Bank, particularly in the 4th quarter, as you were saying. So, for the current financial year, what kind of loan growth you are expecting?
No, if you see that the loan growth has come in this financial year, year-on-year basis, 14%.
Right.
If you see the quarter-on basis, this is 13%.
Correct.
That means whatever the growth has come to the last quarter.
Right.
Because of the first 2 quarters have been, second wave have been severely affected on that. So growth has not come.
Right.
So little bit growth has come 3rd quarter and finally has come 4th quarter. Normally financial industry 4th quarter always is a very good growth has given.
Right.
So I feel that this financial also will become to this more than normal growth, which is compared to the last financial year.
So you see growth will be
More from the last financial year.
in the last financial. But the interest rates are also increasing. Do you think that could impact loan growth to some extent?
If you see that our major focus is the retail customer.
Right.
Retail customer, they have need the business loan, and which is the tenure is a very short term.
Mm.
So without a loan, they are not running their business.
Right.
I have not seen that some basis point increase, that can be impact to their loan growth.
Correct.
So this is, I am not feeling on, but if it is a further increase or long term, it will be like to continue with a big increase. That may be like to little bit impact.
Bandhan Bank has opened more than 300 branches in the last financial year. Do you plan to expand your branch in such an aggressive way?
We have opened that in the 300 plus branches in the last year. This year we have the plan on that to open 530 branches. And the major of these branches, more than 80% will be other than east. South, west, north will be like to penetrate on those areas.
So you are planning to have more pan-India presence?
Pan-India presence. We are already in the presence in the Pan-India, 34 states we are out of 36. But we'll be like to more penetrate of those states.
But I mean, what is the reason for opening so much branches? Because most of the banks are saying that it's digital, they are going digital, so physical branches may not be required. What is the reason for you to open branches such as
No, I am saying that as per our learning from the 7.5 years, the customer has the first trust on that physical branch. And gradually will be like to transform them from physical to digital. So without a bank branch, we cannot give that comfort. If you say the customer first feel that if I like to open the account, if I have some challenge, where I can go? No, who will be the relationship officer? No, yes, I can do my mobile, but not that much comfort in the beginning. So you have need on that the physical branch to reach to the more people and acquire them to the branch. And gradually we educate them with a digital transaction and they will be like to convert.
Thank you, Mr. Ghosh, for talking to us.
Thank you.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.